For decades, Africa's wealth was stolen in plain sight. Gold, oil, cotton, cobalt, extracted fast, sold cheap, and shipped straight to the West. The riches flowed out, while poverty stayed in. But that era is ending. Because President Ibrahim Traoré isn't just leading Burkina Faso, he's leading a rebellion. A rebellion where Africa's resources finally serve Africa first.
I'm watching you all. I'm recording every lie. I'm archiving every distortion. I am Ibrahim Traoré, and today I'm pulling off your masks.
From Accra to Addis Ababa, the continent is watching with pride. But in Washington, London, and Paris, there's only one emotion: fear. They are terrified of what Traoré is building. 7 bold strategic projects designed to crash their economies, disrupt global trade, and flip the script on who controls the future. This isn't just a plan, it's a warning. For over 70 years, West Africa has been shackled by the CFA franc, a currency printed in Paris, not in Africa. A colonial relic disguised as economics. Every coin, every note, a quiet reminder that sovereignty was never fully won. But Traoré has drawn a line in the sand. He's launching a Pan-African currency, backed not by foreign debt, but by real gold reserves. No more money printed in France. No more inflation controlled abroad. This is economic freedom, printed in Africa, backed by Africa. Next, the alliance. Mali, Niger, Burkina Faso. 3 nations under siege by terrorism and betrayed by foreign troops who promised to help but never did. Under Traoré's leadership, they've united to form the Alliance of Sahel States, a military pact to defend each other without begging for Western intervention. Trained locally, armed independently, united permanently. This isn't just a defense force. It's a declaration of sovereignty. For years, French companies controlled Burkina Faso's gold mines, draining billions while locals lived in poverty. Traoré said, "Enough." He expelled the corporations, reclaimed the mines, and redirected profits to fund schools, roads, and defense. This isn't charity. It's justice, and it's only the beginning. Imagine an Africa with its own internet infrastructure, its own cloud systems, its own satellites, built by Africans, owned by Africans. That's Traoré's next frontier, digital sovereignty. He's partnering with BRICS nations to develop a secure African tech network, immune to Western surveillance, censorship, and manipulation. No more foreign blackouts. No more Western filters. Control the internet, and you control the future. When the West imposed sanctions, Traoré didn't beg. He pivoted. Weapons from Russia, infrastructure, support from China, financial partnerships through BRICS, all without the IMF's chains or the World Bank's conditions. This realignment is redrawing Africa's map of power, and in Western capitals, panic is setting in. Because for the first time in modern history, Africa isn't asking, it's deciding. For decades, foreign media distorted Africa's story. They showed poverty, not potential, chaos, not culture, dependency, not dignity. But Traoré said no more. He banned French propaganda channels and began funding African-owned news networks, giving Africans control of the mic, the camera, and the narrative. What Traoré is doing isn't just about Burkina Faso. It's about the entire African continent reclaiming what's been stolen for centuries. Its voice, its resources, its identity. To the West, that's terrifying, because control isn't lost through war. It's lost when the enslaved finally wake up, and that awakening has begun. From the gold under its soil, to the data in its clouds, to the knowledge in its schools, Africa is finally reclaiming its power. This movement isn't about hate. It's about balance. It's about truth. It's about freedom. Traoré's revolution is proof that Africa doesn't need permission to rise, only unity to stay standing. And as the world watches, some with admiration, others with fear, one thing is certain: the age of exploitation is ending, and the age of African sovereignty has begun.